They're angels with invisible wings at times that we don't know. They're sent from the Lord above when we need them most. Why, they could be the child that says a simple thing that brings a tear to your eye, or a gentle hug from someone almost makes you cry. Now I do believe the Lord has sent a guardian angel for everyone to help us through the troubled times when we need someone. Why, that could be the homeless man on the street that makes you want to give, or the church bell that rang on Sunday morning and gave you the will to live. They're angels with invisible wings, times that we don't see, sent from the Lord above, just for you and me. Did a grandchild say a simple word that shakes you to your soul? Well, that could be the Lord's messenger sent, you just don't know. So if someone smiles and it makes your day, don't be too surprised. An angel with invisible wings has just blessed your life. They're angels with invisible wings, times that we don't see, sent from the Lord above, just for you and me. Best things in life are always free when you're sent from the heart. An innocent smile or a warm hello, now that's a great place to start. The world would be a much better place if everyone believed. An angel with invisible wings, that's what we all should be. They're angels with invisible wings, times that we don't see, sent from the Lord above, just for you and me. They're angels with invisible wings, times that we don't see,